Hey, how you doing? Tina from Tina's House there. Anyway, this next video you're gonna see, and the reason I'm doing this stuff, I don't know if there's any new people on here, just checking out my channel, seeing what I'm all about. Next month I'm about to have my 4th open heart surgery, so I'm trying to do things and see things that I haven't seen before it's time to go into the hospital. So I'm doing some of the bands that are like on my bucket list that I'm able to do, and a lot of this is free. 90% of it, 100% of it pretty much is free, besides, you know, gas and whatever. But this next concert series, I got a chance to go see Boy George, Howard Jones, and Berlin. These bands are from the 80s. I was a big Boy George fan and everything, and I like Berlin. I really didn't know Howard Jones. I didn't know who it was, but I knew of a couple songs when I was at the concert. I knew a couple songs of them. I was able to hang out with my friend Mary, and her friend that actually gave me the ticket, Donald. Thank you, Donald, for the ticket. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate that Mary let me hang out with her and her daughter. And I was able to spend the night at her house, and then I left the next morning because me and Tony were going to his family's, his other family members' birthday party. Yeah, Dingo Fest. And then after Dingo Fest, then we went up north to his family, but that's in future videos. Anyway, so let's do this concert. Let me show you some of the stuff from the concert. And if you ever liked them and never had a chance to go, here's your opportunity to see a little bit. I only did little clips of what they're like. Okay? Alright, I'm over here at Walmart. I just went and got some groceries from all these Walmarts. And I'm going to head over to the park and try and do some cooking before I go to another concert tonight. To see Itchy Coo? Yeah. Itchy Coo. It's another 70s type hippie type thing. Yeah, if it doesn't rain, because it already sprinkled a little bit and now it's really humid and hot, and I really don't want to cook in the van, but you know, can do it anyway. Alright, hope you enjoy this video, and if you can, like and subscribe, and comment down below, because I like talking with people. Yeah, I get lonely. That's why I make these videos, to communicate with other people and to show you that you can do this even when you're in a difficult situation. Yeah, and you don't have a choice. Like my van right now is tore up in the back, and I haven't been in my van for like 4 days, so I have like dirty clothes and everything else that I've got to deal with. So yeah, we're gonna go to the park. It's 2:45. Make some Polish kielbasa and scalloped potatoes. Yeah. Alright, but that's in a future video, so you guys got a lot of catching up to do. I got a lot of videos to make for you to catch up with. Oh, by the way, I'm in the Detroit, Michigan metropolitan area. Okay, let's do this. Let's go into the park. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I will talk with you later. Alright, peace out. Alright, here's another road trip out to the east side. Say it isn't so, but it is so. It's very so. It's so, it's crazy. Yep, going to another concert. One of my friends has a free, one of my friends' friends, which is now I guess my friend, has a free ticket to Boy George and Howard Jones, and there's somebody else playing. I don't quite remember who it is. But yeah, we're gonna go out to the east side, and we're gonna spend the night out on the east side just thought he did makeup cool, and his songs were good. I didn't know all about everything until I started reading his books. I had his books. I had 2 walls of posters up. I had, oh my god, I had a hat. I wish I had that shit right now. I could be wearing it. I had a hat full of pins. I collected, you know, the band pins, and I had it all over this hat. It was so cool. I don't have none of that stuff anymore. All that stuff is, oh, I might have it. It might be somewhere in the storage unit, but I haven't came across any of it yet, so. Anyway, let's roll on 696 going eastbound. Alright, see ya.
With my men. Too busy taking the photo. Yeah. Right on an angle. You're smart.